everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we're diving back into the second Final Fantasy cookbook. We are doing the Navel Orange cookies. To begin with, we need 2 cups or 240 grams of all-purpose / plain flour, half a cup or 60 grams of whole wheat flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. You're just going to combine that together. I didn't have any whole wheat flour, so I just topped it up with normal plain flour. In a separate bowl, we are putting together half a cup or 100 grams of normal sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and it says 2 tablespoons of orange zest. I just chucked it all in there. Give it a good mix so it looks kind of orange as well. We are then going to be creaming some butter. I don't know why it's on its own, so I just kind of melted it and half creamed it like you would with sugar normally. You're then going to add the sugar mix, orange juice, and honey and eggs. So it is 118 grams or half a cup of butter, 3 tablespoons or 45 ml of orange juice, a quarter cup, 85 grams of honey, and 2 eggs. Once you're happy with that, we are then going to add the flour mix to the cookie wet mix, I guess to call it, and then it's going in the fridge for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. Once it has chilled, we will be making another dipping topping before it goes in the oven. It's 3 tablespoons of normal sugar and 65 grams or half a cup of confectioner's sugar. So you're going to roll the dough ball into sort of a tablespoon size of dough, and just squish it down a little bit, dip it into your normal sugar, and then dip it into the icing sugar. Just make sure there's about 2 inches between each dough ball, because obviously when they're cooking they will expand out. It then says we need to chill them again in the freezer for about 10 minutes. So these will be cooking for 15 to 17 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. I think I did 180 just to be safe. Let me know if you make these and how you get on. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.